Here's the master bath. That's hers, the middle part to the central tub with the hers side of the bathroom. We've got a sunlight above us, and this is the his side of the bathroom. And the loo and sitting area into the closet area. Pretty deep. And then coming out to the entrance in the hallway. More closet space. The end.